entire town burnt. We lost an entire town. People lost everything.
And I still see wood construction being built now. That makes me pause.
And the great thing about this project is we're building with insulated concrete forms. This is a new technique for us, but ultimately we need to build the safest houses that we can. And this ICF technique is a way for us to do that.
I'm Greg Lewis, Executive Vice President with the National Ready Mixed Concrete Association. We're here in Paradise, California because the concrete industry is partnering alongside Habitat for Humanity International to build 50 concrete Habitat for Humanity homes in 50 states over the next 5 years, and the first ones are here in Paradise.
It takes every single partner as a whole to make this successful. The fact that the National Ready Mixed Concrete Association was able to supply all these donations, supply the expertise to teach us how to do this, has been a critical component of our success in these builds.
One of the things that we kept seeing on TV was the devastation from tornadoes, from hurricanes, from wildfires like here. All these natural disasters that just were erasing communities off the face of the earth. And we kind of said, you know, we ought to have some sort of a strategy about how to help that. Well, this is one of them. And the partnership we have with Habitat is something special.
Around the mud pie. Okay, hard left. Which way?
When you see this site, people instantly see a white foam block and they think styrofoam. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth. EPS foam is actually a 100% recycled material, and the post-construction material can also be recycled as well.
It's very volunteer-friendly way to build. A lot of folks refer to it as being akin to stacking Legos. It's a slightly more complex than that.
Ever since we started talking about this, I've been trying to picture what it looks like in real life, and it is just about exactly what I thought it would be. It's like a big Lego project.
Put a Lego on a Lego on a Lego on a Lego, and then concrete, Lego, Lego, Lego.
When Habitat first told me about ICF, I went on to their website just to kind of research it a little bit because I'd never heard of it. And the more I read about it, I was like getting so excited. That is life-changing, like, because that is security, you know? I mean, that feels like a little bit sense of just safety.
I think there's going to be a lot of sweat and tears throughout this build because it really it's a pretty monumental step for these folks. They were renters beforehand and they were bounced all over the place after the campfire, and now they're actually going to have a home.
There's nothing more that warms your heart, but also puts terror in you that this is going to happen again, unfortunately. We're going to have another Paradise, and we need to be prepared, and we need to be building with resilient construction materials.
Everything around them is what their past held. This is about their future. I feel really pleased that the NRMCA is part of that.